So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually connect your advanced S2 decoder to your TV set. So if it's a new decoder that I have bought and you don't know how to do the necessary connections, watch this video today and I'm going to show you how to make good use of the port at the back of your decoder. So at the back here we have the LMB port. That's the first port that you're going to find over there. So the LMB port, that's the port that you're going to connect your signal cable from the satellite dish onto your decoder. And I have the USB port over here if you want to connect any dongle or any USB drive to record and then play media files on it. That's where you need to connect. And we have the HDMI port right here. The HDMI port actually gives you a quality video output. If you have a plasma TV, you have to use the HDMI port. Alright, and you have the video and audio ports right here. If you are using an old TV, you have to use this port to actually transfer the video signal to your TV. Alright, so to do the necessary connection, the first thing that you should focus on will be in the signal cable. That's the cable that will come from your satellite dish. Okay, so the signal cable, this cable. So if you don't know how to strip it, this is actually how to strip it. If you don't have any tool like this, cable complier or strip here, just use your kitchen knife and neatly, alright, you have to level it like this and remove 1/2 inch of the first layer. Alright, and then don't remove this 8 wires and remove the second layer remaining the main pin. Alright, and fix your F connector. So you need this F connector. If your set of decoder doesn't come with the F connector, you need to find the F connector. Exactly like this, and you have to fix it over here in the LMB in port. Alright, and the other side comes to your LMB, which will be on your satellite dish. Alright, so you come to the HDMI cable. If you are using a plasma TV, you have to use the HDMI cable to actually get quality video output. So you have to connect your HDMI cable into the HDMI port, and the other side to your TV HDMI ports. But we have numbers on the TV HDMI, so you need to indicate the number that you're setting so that you can change on your TV to get a video signal over there. Alright, so in case you are not using the HDMI, you are not using a plasma TV, all you got to do is to use your AV cable right here and insert it carefully. Yellow, red for red, white for white, and yellow for yellow ports right there. Alright, and on your TV the same thing, yellow for yellow, white for white, and red for red. The red and white holds the audio left and right. Alright, so let's do like this. So if one of these is not working, you'll still get your audio, but if the yellow port is not working, you are not going to get your video signal. Alright, so after that, all you got to do is to plug in the cable into your power socket and you get to do the necessary installation to get your channels. So if you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.